Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Hadin ke jingkrakno lampang ke yeng dorbar thawan ke jela. Udak todon ke paroi, manupat panchim ti ya ke syuki. Kedai ke jingkeli ke babaro ki kimi lenti ke jubab, kam tam na ki reusan perthai. Banyo jingmut kendiat halor kini ke benta, ka Batisi TV haka arpun retorik mentau nailar arjar khat kendai, ka layo rupani keren kerpang berono lam jong ka UDP Parliamentary Party, uba Ahmed Baklingdo, ubalong ru kajo kepor menteri sorkar. Ha kini kejing keren nak liang ba Ahmed Baklingdo, uraya thu ba ka Parliamentary Party jong ka UDP kan syong bani keren halor kini ke benta.
Taka Europe ya syok tu benda decide. Lalu ban you know. Nak ada benda ni decide. You go for decision or not? Kita asal ni let's see that MD ko ang ba will sit within this session you know lagi aja mo kita then we'll come up with a name. We will take its own decision at the right time. Oh, kira kan? Dia berkata ke Paul kan? Dia begini dia decide. Kemudian Allah berkata apa time kan sa dahil ini sok sa intention kita bongi yung kita kapag
Kay kas
by the way after mataling itong position so we have to take almost all in confidence by the way kaya yung makiya to nga itong tangan na peko ko kubor ka way don't item
Mungkin ada
other parties. Our parties will present only our case. Then let's just say there's no problem. I'll tell you, everything is fine within MD. I'm telling you. Tapi kalau kita well kuat, belum kuat. Kudu semua. Tell me, what is wrong? Tubuh panu boleh terjadi pan. Well pan. But what is right, that we will decide. It has to go on to one. Everything is normal, no problem, don't worry about it. MD will carry on this 5 years, and we are looking beyond this 5 years. The party we are yet to sit okay, along with the Sheila circle, okay, and take a decision. That's what I'm saying. I can look for minutes of now. So we will sit up and we will decide what we have to do. Whether we will appeal or we don't appeal.
Ha kabay day bat kaseng National People's Party la ka donjing mut ne em ban sei kertong ban penya khon ya ka jinga je thamayo lampang ka yeng dorbar thawan ke jela halor ni ka bentala yo ban keren bat uwei na kinoelam jong kani ka seng uba preston ten song ulong ru sembut menteri rangba ka jela halor ni ka jingkeli na ka liang ba preston ten song lo ong ba ha ka arpnyo trek mentau nailar arjat kendai barok kiseng san perthai ki badan hak syatri jong ka Meklia Democratic Alliance kin se shong bani perkhat halor kani ka syuki
na kalian tungi nga ang tingi apa ila siya so we are not seeing ban propose na marhadu benta na kiwi ro kampat don ni kata ban ong ba jing propose ke jing propose ni syo I ta benta ko then lay ngopi the reality will happen tomorrow agak begini song barok ipat na so te la sila siya bila kelima dia kalau then lay ngopi ka kaya kapag hindi kren kalau may kato data ka speculation about way on ba kung way on then lay ngopi ultimately ang asong na siya kasi kung kayo hindi able then only we will come out to some sort of decision kung mga kata tanggaji keren maybe with you kabade hibat ka press te kamno official okay lada ka long kumta te kade long official da na opi haka platform kabade hoking bat kata kalong haka MD we belum saman kan di belum saman du chip we uskat tri ngidon uskat tri long thomas kata kade platform jo MD so therefore till this moment kabang keren bat pi kalong kadang dia tangga speculation.
Okay.
On that basis, when so speculation.
Yes.
But when there is nothing officially, any communication officially, ngimla man orang kalau official. Then agak dah orang kita let us see tomorrow. So we sit down, then you'll be able to know exactly what's happening. Hadung ta kam don AM ka misunderstanding. Kumong ong ipi ngimpat don kata ka bangin keren ka bandon ka jinga ong ba ngangan lek kumta ka parti junga kan lek kumta ka parti junga kan lek. Nga ong ipi ya kan ni berbuat ka jinga keren ka sulong bitang hakikot ku borte. You understand that? Te he speculate ba kan don ka rift. Kan don ka misunderstanding. Ong ipi so far nothing is there. Ngim don mo ta. Kalong intact, well intact. Top he keren saya ia ke kongres tak ada hok iban penian. Kata ada gerukong. Balikin penian. Jangan opposition. Ihapan penian. We can't stop them. They can do. Long they have their own liberty na. What? Then they come here as far as MDA partners is concerned. Ni pat don AA berpin oma don rift. Idon ka jinya perjumut. Kam don AA kata. Namar ko mo kata ada tangga speculation. Namar ba long bijo sngew ba nakalian katu ketuhun ki ong ngin ngi kwa ban bu kan itu nakawai ka ketuhun ko ba ngir ngi de ban bu kan